Hello friend, welcome to our channel Avisan Fair Fatka. Today while roaming on the fish harbour in Vizag, we suddenly saw a fisher boat carrying a very giant swordfish with them. So let us have a look on this swordfish. It's really giant swordfish. Now after catching this fish they are doing auction here, and after you can also see how they are cutting this such a big fish.
మనుషులు లేకుండా పెడతాడు
మనకి ఎప్పుడు సండే అండి మీకు ఏది ఉండదు వెళ్ళడం తినడం పడుకోవడం.
If you want to see such videos and also want to travel the world with us, visit our channel and see the other videos we have posted on our channel. For future notifications, subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.
అందుకే చైనా కూడా
వస్తారు కదా అలా తీస్తాను నువ్వు కలర్ బాగుంది సంతోషం.
So after cutting this fish into small pieces, they are selling to the peoples as per the auctions they are receiving. So if you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for future notification. We'll meet in our next episode. Until that, take care, stay safe. Thank you.